Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator. Now, this is a bit of an impromptu video. There's been a little bit of confusion, maybe on my part, maybe on your part, but we're getting close to that 5,000 subscriber mark, and I've asked people to comment on videos to be in for the In It to Win It draw for that 40 quid sprayer. But I know that there's people that are subscribing, and I know that there's people that are subscribed that haven't commented In It to Win It. And I want as many people in the UK with a UK postcode to be in it to win it. So I'm trying to, I don't know what the word is. Do I want consolidate? I want to consolidate everybody who's done In It for Win It into one video, into one thread on a video, which is this one, just to say In It to Win It. Now, I'm asking you, if you've already done In It to Win It on a video, please do In It to Win It again on this thread, or just give me a smiley face, or just do a comment to say that you've already done it elsewhere. If you're new to the channel and you haven't had a chance yet to see the In It to Win It shorts or the videos previously about winning a sprayer when we get to 5,000 stroke a few little bit more subscribers over 5,000, please also comment to say that you've subscribed and In It to Win It. And I want to try and get everybody that's interested in winning that sprayer, who wants the sprayer, to comment on this video. Now, this will be the video that I will pick a subscriber who's gave In It to Win It or give me a comment below to win that sprayer. So yeah, I'll say apologise, probably my fault. I've probably not made it clear enough. But to be in with a chance to win that sprayer when we've got to that 5,000 subscriber mark, or just a little bit more, because we might have an influx of a load of people doing In It to Win It. It's got to be off this thread that you will be in the draw. And on my TubeBuddy software that I use on the videos, I can pick a winner off this thread. It's a random picked winner for winning the sprayer. That's what I want. So please give some comments. If you've already done In It to Win It on a previous video, can you now put it down here? I'll spam everything that I possibly can so everybody gets a chance to know about this video. But the comments on this video, In It to Win It, or a smiley face, will put you in the draw. Now, you've got to be in the UK with a UK postcode, because I can't send a prize abroad. But I'd also like you to subscribe to the Beckwith Decorators Instagram page, because if you do win, I can't get hold of you on the YouTube channel. Maybe I can get hold of you on the Instagram, or even the Phil Beckwith Professional Painter and Decorator on Facebook page. So either of those platforms, please subscribe as well. So I'll say over and out. Sorry for the confusion. My fault. I'm only a painter. See you on the next one.